The EnOcean Alliance is the only energy harvesting wireless standard and is dedicated to automation solutions for sustainable buildings using energy harvesting wireless technology. The Alliance and key partners recently attended the 2019 Smart Building Show in London. This was a very important event for the UK building automation sector. Current trends in smart buildings focus on going beyond traditional energy savings, security and basic comfort. Today, the health and wellness of employees and other building users is becoming a key factor. Research has shown that motivated employees are 15% more productive. And efficient building utilisation is becoming key, with typically only 60% of office space utilised during the working week due to remote working, travel, vacations, etc. For these reasons and more, smart spaces, that's healthy and space-optimised spaces, are becoming a key trend. EnOcean technology is ideal for this market. Peel and stick, maintenance-free wireless sensors are ideal for collecting the necessary data required in buildings for cloud solutions or to enable facility managers to optimise in-building systems. At the Smart Building Show and at coming events, the EnOcean Alliance continues to deliver on internationalising energy harvesting wireless technology and remains dedicated to creating interoperability between the products of its OEM partners.